Precious beings, this is Miego Galileo Puentes reporting. Bitaw guys ay, hello ninyo diha tanan. Natanawa, watch me na. Hey, watch me nene guys. Because I smell shimken. But Dada, hide the chicken. Now I'm smelling the bag. I will ruin this bag if necessary. So I can find the chicken, guys. Dada is so bad man, guys. They don't want me to eat the chicken. But I'm very hungry. I'm very hungry of chicken. Did you know where Dada hide it? Please tell me. Or else if you have some, please send it via GNT Express. Hi! I'm just kidding, guys. Nag-inoy ako, guys, eh. Pero kakanon dyan ko shimkin. Ay, si Dada. Sige, tatapakaon ani og paksiw. Paksiw na isda. Baho na kay kong inononan, ani.